Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Today I'll be showing you how to register your address in Germany, which is called Anmeldung. I'll be using Munich as an example for this purpose so that everyone can follow, and then I will show you my real booking in Paderborn. I will start the process and you can follow the step. So the first thing you have to do, just type Bugaram and the name of the city in which you live. Cologne, Düsseldorf, whichever city. For this example, we'll be using Munich. And just enter. It brings you here. You can see appointment can be made. Just click on this first one. And it brings you here. You can see online appointments. Come down, scroll down, and click on this one. On this search bar, just click on this first one. Click on that. It brings you here. If you are applying as a family, multiple people, you can click on the numbers of people here. But I will just assume it's just you. This is enough. And just click on this and OK. So it shows you the day and time that is available. For instance, let's say you're available on the 25th for this appointment, and then it shows you the time as well. You can pick on this time and, just continue from there. But since I do not live in Munich and I don't want to book an appointment, we just head over to Paderborn. So Paderborn is a much more smaller city being compared to Munich. So the same thing, Bugaramst and Paderborn. It brings you here. You click on this first one. You can see appointments. You just click on appointments and resident office. Firstly, let me explain what Anmeldung means. Anmeldung is you telling the German authorities where you live, and you have to inform the authorities within 14 days of living in your current address. And on the day of your appointment, you have to go with um, your passport, your landlord confirmation documents, resident permits, and you can also go with your house contract document as well. And if it's your first time of registering for your address, click on this first one, just add if it's just you. And but since it's not my first time, I've stayed in a temporary place before I got this place where I permanently stay now. And I have no business with the registration. I would go for change of registration because this is my second place. And then I'll come here and just continue with one. And it shows the time, the day, and everything. So whichever day I would just choose, let's say 2nd of December, the time, let's say 10 o'clock, and it shows me where the address of the appointment, and just carry on. And I have to fill in these details, and I have to just fill in my details. And that's it for now. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more tutorials about living in Germany.